Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to fix stuttering in Apex Legends and make your gameplay smoother. First, load into your game and go to Settings. Next, go to the Video tab, and here make sure your display mode is on full screen. What you have to do next is scroll down, make sure that VSync is disabled. VSync can cause stutters and input delay, so make sure that it is disabled. Now what you have to do next is lower your graphics settings by reducing your texture streaming budget, lower the shadows, set effects details to low, and also lowering your anti-aliasing. This reduces GPU load and helps stabilize your FPS. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, enable NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency and set it to Enabled plus Boost. After that, cap your FPS slightly below your monitor's refresh rate using launch options or your GPU control panel. This helps prevent frame drops. Close background apps like browsers, Discord overlays, and screen recorders. Make sure that your graphics drivers are fully updated as well. Finally, close the game and open up Steam. Once you're on Steam, right-click Apex Legends on your library, click on Properties, click on Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Launch the game and check if the stuttering is gone. That's it. That is how you fix stuttering in Apex Legends.